Hi everyone, this is the video number 5 of our ethical hacking using Kali Linux video series, and in this video we will talk about the some basic commands of Kali Linux. So let's get started. Basic commands of Kali Linux. In this video we will understand these all commands. So our first command is help. It command shows the basic commands and their uses. And now I will show you how you can use this command. First, open your terminal, then type help and hit enter. And now you can see the list of Kali Linux commands. But it is not all commands. Then our next command is pwd. pwd stands for present working directory. It is used for showing your current location or directory. Type here pwd and now you can see my location is Kali Linux. Then our next command is ls. It shows the all folders and file of a directory. So type here ls and here you can see the all file and folders of my present working directory. Then the next command is cd. cd stands for change directory. With the help of this command, you can change your current location like this. My present working directory is Kali Linux. First, type your command to show all directories like this. And now if I want to move into this desktop directory, then type cd space your directory name and hit enter. And now you can see my present working directory is desktop. Now if I want to return my directory, then just type cd space ... and hit enter. Now you can see I'm back in Kali Linux directory, which is our next command cd space ... and it command used for go to the return directory. Then our next command is clear. It command used for clear your terminal. Like this. Then next command is mkdir. mkdir stands for make directory. It command used for create a new directory. For use this command, type mkdir space then your directory name and hit enter. Then to show all directories, type ls and hit enter. And now you can see our new directory. And if you want to remove or delete it, then type rm space and directory name. And again type ls. And now you can see our directory is removed, which is our next command rm. rm is used for remove a file or directory. Now this is an important command. It command used for to get grant root privileges. I will type sudo and hit enter. Now I'm a root user. If you are learning Kali Linux, then I think you must have known about root. If not, then paste this in comment section. I will make a specific video on it. So that is enough for this video. See you again in the next video.